with that connector. Okay, I ended up pouring a little bit on there too, so what I'm going to do now is go get a rag real quick. Alright guys, so I just grabbed this old sock and now I'm just going to dry it off as best as I can. Both our battery. It's been running great. This was recently replaced actually when I got the truck, so that's always good. And yeah, this seems to be cleaning it up pretty well. Definitely looked worse before I did this. So really scrub it down, guys. And then I also got the intake a little bit dirty. Gotta clean off that new mod, man. Gotta get the other side too, can't forget that. There we go. Here we go, I just packed everything back up. Here's one last look at the bay of the Silverado. Close her up. There's nothing really done in here. Do want to get a new intake though. Probably go with full air inductions or I'd go with AFE again. I'm not really sure if they do gas trucks as well. They probably do. So that's all you need to do. Here, let's give you one look again. Looks a lot better than it did. And I know some people just dump the baking soda on and then pour it off with hot water or whatever they use. But I mean, this worked out pretty well. And as you can see, my other ones aren't looking bad, so I'm not going to have to do those. And this really isn't the day to be dealing with water. It is so cold outside today. All the wind is just killer. I mean, if it wasn't windy at all, it wouldn't be that bad. It's my hands that are actually cold, actually. Everything else is fine. Wow, look at that on my headlight. It looks like the monster claw, you know what I mean? Yeah, that was just something bothering me on the Ram for a while. Ever since I switched out the intake, I noticed that how it was corroding pretty bad on that one battery terminal connection. So we got that squared away, and just another perfect day for both trucks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I think I'm going to take out the Ram tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is plug her in. At least I'll plug it in right before I go to sleep tonight, so that way she can just warm up all night, because it's gonna drop into the 20s, and it's very windy today. Feels like 18 says on the weather. So yeah, I'm probably gonna use this one to plug into the truck. So I got this one right here. Gonna have to do this all one-handed. There we go. Well, I guess I'll leave it right here. Don't want it to just turn on for 2 seconds and turn off. It's probably not good for it. Sweet land of liberty. Yeah, I knew I was going to need 2 of these. There we go. I got this over here. So yeah, I think it's amazing how this Cummins has the high idle. It has the exhaust brake. And I also have a built-in block heater to the truck, which is very easy to find, by the way. I didn't have to do any searching. I just looked under here. Here's the winch cord. Yeah, I just looked under here, and it's right there. It's right here, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but you just got to pull the cap off of it, and then the cord is right here. So this is a Tennessee truck, so the plug is not corroded at all. I don't know if they do corrode or not, but this one's in very good condition, as you can see. I'm not sure if it was used too much or not, being from Tennessee, maybe not. So I got my plug right here. I'm just gonna set her up for tomorrow. There we go, guys. Got her plugged up right there. So I guess it's all ready to go now. I'm gonna plug her in right before I go to sleep. Hopefully I remember. Oh, got the moon out. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Oh, it zoomed in pretty well. So there we go. Close her up now. I'm glad that has a work light. The Silverado does. Yeah, this is all ready to go. A lot of ice on the truck still. So that's basically all you have to do. I'll make more in-depth video about it tomorrow. But yeah, we got it all the way over here. And then I got the plug right here that I gotta remember to plug